Hi, this is Indiana from the Fairfield Woods Branch Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute lovebird pony bead keychain, perfect for Valentine's Day. So during the month of February, you can pick up one of these take and make kits at either library while supplies last. In your kit, you'll find the illustrated instructions for how to do this craft, plastic thread, and then a bag of beads that I'm going to dump on this tray so we can see what we have, and then a keychain as well, a keychain piece. So the first thing we're going to do is dump all our beads out so that they're easy to access. And I'm just going to move them to the side here. You can put your keychain pieces together, use one, use the other. It's up to you. I'm just going to use this piece for today. And you're going to take your plastic thread and you are going to fold it in half to find the center. So you want your ends to be the same length like that. So find the middle and then fold it in half. And with this loop, we're gonna go through our keychain, just like so. And through this loop, we're gonna pull the ends of our thread. And we're gonna pull it nice and tight. So that's how we're going to attach it to the keychain. And then I like to tape my keychain down to my work surface so it doesn't move around whilst I'm stringing beads on. So I'm going to tape it right here where you can see it, hopefully. Okay, and then we're going to go based off of this instruction illustration that was in the kit. And the first thing we're going to do is string on 3 light pink beads. So these are the light pink ones. 1, 2, 3. So we string that onto one of the strings, and then with our other string, our other end, we're going to go back through the opposite way, through all 3 of those beads. Just like so. And we're going to pull it so that those sit at the top of our keychain. Just like that. And then the next row, we're going to do 1 light pink, 1 black, 1 orange, another black, and another light pink. So 5 beads all together. 1 light pink, 1 black, 1 orange, another black, and another light pink. So we strung that on one of the strings, and then the same thing, we're going to take the other string, the other end, and go through the opposite way through all 5 of those beads. Just like so, and then pull it nice and tight up to our last row. And you want to make sure that your strings are all kind of straightened out and going the right direction. Just like so. So now we have the start of our beak and our bird's eyes. Moving on to the third row, we have 2 light pink, 1 orange, and 2 more light pink. So 2 light pink, 1 orange, and 2 more light pink. And then once again, we're going to take our other end and go back through the opposite way. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, but you just want to make sure it's strung onto both strings, and then you're going to pull it nice and tight. Make sure all of our cords are facing the right direction. They're not all twisted up. And you're going to pull that right up there with the other beads. So there we have our little bird's beak and his eyeballs. And we're going to move on to the next row, which is going to be, it's kind of hard to tell with this diagram, but it's going to be a red bead, 4 light pink, and another red bead. So 1 red bead, 1, 2, 3, 4 light pink, oh, and then 1 more red bead. And we're going to feed it through the other string, the opposite direction, just like so. And we're going to pull it nice and tight up with the other ones. And as always, we're going to make sure that our strings are not all twisted up. Just like that. And next we're going to do, like I said, it's hard to see, but I will tell you. It is 1 red, 1 hot pink, 3 light pink, another hot pink, and another red. So we're going to string on 1 red, 1 hot pink, 3 light pink, another hot pink, and another red. Just like that. And we're going to feed our other string back through the opposite way. Just like so, and we're going to pull it so it's nice and tight with the other ones. Just like that. And you can see our wings are starting to form here. So now we're going to do this row, which is the exact same one as the last one. So 1 red, 1 hot pink, 3 light pink, 1 hot pink, 1 red. 1 red, 1 hot pink, 1 light pink, 2 light pink, 3 light pink, hot pink, and a red. That should be your last red bead. Okay, and so like always, we're going to feed our other string back through the opposite direction. Just like that. Make sure our strings aren't all twisted up. Pull it nice and tight to sit with the other ones, just like so. Okay, next we're gonna do 2 hot pink, 2 light pink, and 2 hot pink. So 1, 2 hot pink, 1, 2 light pink, and 1, 2 hot pink. So we have 6 on there, and then as always, we're gonna go back through the opposite direction. And we're gonna pull it up, tighten our strings, make sure everything's sitting straight. Just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do the row with his little feet. So we're gonna do a hot pink, an orange, a light pink, an orange, and another hot pink. So hot pink, orange, light pink, orange, hot pink. Just like that. And we're going to feed through the opposite way with the other string, through all 5 of those. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure everything's sitting straight. Just like so. Now we're moving on to the tail feathers. So we're going to do a row of just 3 light pink. 1, 2, 3 light pink. String it back through the opposite way with the other string. Pull it tight, make sure everything's straight. Adjust it if it's not. Like that. Now we're going to do a hot pink, a light pink, and a hot pink. hot pink, light pink, hot pink. Feed it through the other way. Straighten it all out. Now we're going to do 3 hot pinks. And this will be the last of our hot pink. So 1, 2, 3. Feed it through the other string the opposite direction. Pull it tight. This one's super curly. See how it curls like that? You just have to twist them back so they're not all twisted up. Tighten it out. Okay, now we're going to do 2 light pink in this next row. 1, 2. Feed the other string through the opposite way. And we're going to do another row with 2 light pink. 1, 2. Keep it tight. We're going to do another row with just 2 light pink. 1, 2. Feed it through the opposite way. And then we're going to do one more row with 2 light pink. 1, 2. Feed it through the opposite direction. Pull it nice and tight. And now we're going to put our last light pink bead on. Feed it through the opposite way, just like this. We're going to pull that, make sure everything's nice and straight, nice and tight, and if it looks how you want it to look, if everything's good, we're going to tie a couple knots at the end here. This 1, 2. Mine went a little sideways for some reason, but that's okay. 3, and then I'll do 4 just to be safe. And you want to make sure you're pulling these super tight so your beads won't come off. And then we can just trim the extra thread, peel up our tape, and there we have a cute little lovebird keychain, perfect for Valentine's Day.